RICS, is a group of surveyors which was started in 1868 in London. So they promote the highest standards of real estate in the industry, whether it's valuation, land dealings, leasing, whatever. So they promote the most highest standards of real estate in the industry. My name is Ashima Arora. I've done my bachelor's in real estate and urban infrastructure from RICS. If I talk about the general experience of the school, we've led two lives here. One was the studying life and theoretical knowledge and the practical internships that we did, and the second was the fun part of it, the Diwali fest, the Holi fest and all of that. So if I talk about the theoretical knowledge, we've been well prepared for the industry, and we've been taught each and every part of the industry, whether it's finance, valuation, sales, marketing, so that we are well prepared to go into the field and work for it. And we have also been given the practical knowledge of the course by the internships that we did in the great firms, whether it's Godrej or Knight Frank or any IPC we got internships with. The placement experience was extremely smooth here. We were placed before our final year exam. So I was placed before my final year exam. I had my offer letter in my hand. We had tremendous, abundance of choices to choose from and good packages we had. It was only because of the edge that we have in the industry and the knowledge that we have about the industry. So the course highlight is obviously the niche thing we have been taught. So when you are a niche in the industry, you are valued more. So we are being made as a professional in the real estate industry. Real estate is now one of the biggest assets of the world. So and as compared to other courses, there are not many professionals in the industry. So we are being taught as a professional, and we are being sent out in the industry as a professional. So what I recommend to students is hold a niche course and then be a professional in it. This RICS has given me a lot of confidence in myself. When I sit in front of people who have 5-6 years of experience in the industry, I can at least talk to them with the knowledge that I've gained in the 3 years, which is a very big thing for a graduate student. So concluding messages: I am rich in knowledge, I'm rich in my confidence, I'm rich in my fun part that I have at RICS. So it has been really a fulfilling experience for me.